looks to kill. Seems that everything is plastic and nothing is real. When money talks and real cats walk, it's so bizarre. You can work twice as hard and go half as far. The truth hurts and it only gets worse. You wanna tell me what I'm worth? People don't always get what they deserve. I get down, roll on my sleeve.